Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can install and uninstall app history on Play Store. So first up, open your Google Play Store and then tap on your profile icon at the top right hand corner of your screen. And then from here, go and click on your Manage Apps and Device option. Now go to the Manage tab right there at the top. And then here on the Install tab, as you can see, here you will see all the apps and games installed on your account or device. And if you want to click on the installed option again and select on the not installed, so here you can see all uninstalled apps and games history on your account or device. So if you want to uninstall, install, or delete this one, just select on the game right here, for example, on the box, and at the top right you will find a download button or a delete button. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.